All right, so the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In it, it talks about having desire mixed with emotion. And I ran across a proverb today that really made me start thinking as well. Proverbs 10:24. The fear of the wicked, it shall come upon him, but the desire of the righteous shall be granted. So, I'm looking at this thinking, wow, desire mixed with emotion, if it's guided in the right path, it will be granted, as well as the fear will be granted to people as well. If you look at the story of Job, in Job 3:25, it says, that thing which I feared has come upon me, and that which I was afraid of has come to pass, or come unto me, or something like that. The thing that I greatly feared, when you concentrate on something, I mean, you may be doing all the right things, going to work or whatever. If you're afraid that you're not going to be able to do something, you're almost just asking it to come to you. And the opposite is true too. If you're focusing on your goal, and not that you're not going to have bad times if you focus on the goal, but those bad times and those things that come are like bumps in the road. So take those bumps in the road and flatten them out, and you meet your goal. It's just inspirational to me to know that, for instance, okay, every single time that I have had a goal and had a plan, that goal has come to pass. If I have had a goal where I didn't really have a clear-cut plan, I was just hoping that I would make something by the hair of my chinny chin chin or whatever, by the skin of my teeth, then it never materialized. There was always things that came in front of that would be like, okay, we got to get this done, we got to get that done, we got to, go here, do this, and it's like, oop, there went my goal because I didn't keep it in mind. It didn't, it just, all the obstacles got in the way. The thing that I remember most clearly was when I quit smoking. There was like three things that converged. I was having a car, that was nickel and diamond me to death. Cigarettes were getting ready to go up, and I came to the realization that I didn't even like cigarettes that much anymore anyway. And when they converged, I came up with this simple plan. The simple plan was, when they go up to $4, I'm going to quit smoking. If I can quit smoking while I'm drinking, I've got it licked. And I'm going to take the money and I'm going to put it towards a vehicle. And with that money, when I quit smoking, I bought the very first brand new truck that I've ever owned. And in fact, it was 6 miles. It had 6 miles on it. It was, in the lot. But I never before, and Certainly never since have I owned a brand new vehicle. But I did then because that was my goal. And quitting smoking was my goal. So I killed two birds with one stone. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.